This video is basically a primer to help you get your legacy set installed on your train layout. We're making a couple of assumptions here. One, that you've already have the TMCC1 system on your layout. Assuming that TMCC is already installed and that you have a TMCC1 command base, black box, green and red LEDs on the top. It says Train Master Base across the front. And your remote looks like this. No digital screens to be seen whatsoever. Assuming that this is set up on your layout, you currently have the U-post on your command base connected to the outside rail of your track. What you're going to need to do when you install your legacy system is remove that wire from the U-post of your TMCC1 base, take it off, and install it to the U-post of your legacy base. So once that wire is installed and your legacy base is installed on your layout, simply locate the Y cable that comes in the package with the 993 legacy set, 990 legacy set, my apologies. As you can see, the connectors are clearly labeled: command base, serial comm, and legacy base. So we're going to go ahead and connect legacy base to the computer port on the front of our legacy base. Go ahead and screw the terminal in so it has a good connection. Now, locate the end that says command base. This goes to your TMCC1 command base. Unfortunately, the screw tabs do not work as there's no extensions in the command base, but seating it properly is sufficient enough. Now, once again, the wire from the U-post on the TMCC1 command base must be moved and relocated to the U-post on the legacy base. As this sits right here, you can still use your TMCC Cab 1 as well as your legacy remote to operate TMCC and legacy equipped locomotives. The way that this works is very simple. Your Cab 1, through this antenna, sends signals to your command base at roughly 26.75 megahertz. The signals that the TMCC1 command base receives is received and decoded and sent through this Y cable back to your legacy base. Your legacy base in turn sends the 455 kilohertz signal out through the outside rails to your trains. Your legacy remote transmits to the base at 2.4 gigahertz, totally different frequency than the Cab 1 and TMCC1 base setup. The Cab 2 or legacy remote broadcasts at 2.4 gigs to the legacy base. The legacy base in turn sends out the 455 kilohertz signal through the outside rails to run your trains. With a legacy base alone, you're able to run TMCC1 and legacy equipped locomotives simultaneously. The other end of your Y cable that we have not connected is labeled serial comm. This serial comm is designed to plug into the command base cable that may have originally been plugged into your Cab 1 base for accessory controllers such as the ASC, the BPC, TPCs, and that entire series of controllers that work off the data and the comm connection from the serial port. This serial port replicates what was originally on your TMCC1 base. So simply take that command base cable, plug it in here, and you're still able to use all of those devices that were originally connected to your TMCC1 base. The only exception to that rule is Power Masters, and we'll cover the Power Masters and the Power Master Bridge in a separate video.